Now, in a significant development, the Tamil Nadu police booked state BJP chief K. Annamalai under stringent sections of the law for sharing allegedly misleading content on his social media regarding the post-poll death of a 45-year-old woman. Now, this comes after Annamalai on Sunday claimed that a group linked to the ruling DMK murdered a woman and attacked her family for not voting for the DMK-led alliance in the Lok Sabha polls. Reacting to this, Annamalai attacked the DMK-led state government by calling it fascist and claimed that the day of Chief Minister M.K. Stallin's ouster wasn't far. Remember, the state police have already rebutted Annamalai's claims and booked 3 others in the case for spreading false information.
Tamil Nadu BJP Chief K. Annamalai has been booked under sections 153, 504 and 505 for spreading misinformation on his X handle. So a woman named Gomati, she is 45 years old and she was, injured in a dispute between 2 group of men in Kadalur. So the Kadalur police tell that it is because of personal enmity. 2 group of men, because of personal enmity, they were fighting in Kadalur on April 19th, the day of polling. So Gomati, she was related to one of the men who was involved in the fight, and she wanted to intervene and stop the fight from happening. That is when she has got injured, and when she was being taken to a nearby hospital, she unfortunately succumbed to the injuries and died. This is what exactly happened. There is no political angle to Gomati's death. It happened because of personal enmity, is what the police say. But on the other hand, Tamil Nadu BJP Chief K. Annamalai on Twitter handle alleged that Gomati was murdered by DMK workers because they did not vote for the lotus symbol. Considering the fact that this happened on April 19th, the day when Lok Sabha elections happened in Tamil Nadu in the first phase, Tamil Nadu BJP Chief K. Annamalai alleged that Gomati did not vote for the DMK and she voted for the lotus symbol, that is the BJP symbol. And when the DMK workers in the area got to know about it, they thrashed her and they killed her. This is an absolute murder on political angle, is what Annamalai alleged in his Twitter handle.